What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we're checking out MistPlay once again. I have another cash out on MistPlay, so we are gonna make a MistPlay video. With that being said, let's jump into today's video. So I was able to cash out on MistPlay once again, and today this video is basically just going to show everybody the cash out and the cash out process. I'm also going to show the app a little bit, what it looks like in 2025. So let's check it out. Alright, so we are on MistPlay, and I've earned a total of 15,274 units, 207 gems. This is my rewards. Alright, so basically today we're cashing out a $5 Amazon gift card. And it's pretty plain and simple. You just enter your email. They send you an email. And then you confirm it through the email.
A few moments later.
This is a confirmation email, pretty much telling you about your order and that it's coming soon. So that's what that is. Now we are with the official email. That's going to take you to the page. You have to copy a security code, enter the security code on the page. After going to the rewards page, then I'm going to Amazon gift card balance, and I'm going to take the code that the page gave me after entering my security code, and I'm applying it to my balance, and there is the $5 from MistPlay. So it's pretty simple and easy to do. Alright, so now let's talk about a little bit of tips and tricks for MistPlay. So MistPlay has been an app that I've used on and off for a couple years now. If you look back, I made a MistPlay video like, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, towards the beginning of me reviewing apps on YouTube. So basically the way that I found is you want to basically find the fastest paying out games. And so if you've ever used MistPlay, they tell you, you know, this game pays out the fastest or this game is the slowest. So you kind of want to find a game that pays out the fastest, and you want to play and play up until it gets super slow, and then you want to just repeat that same process with another app that pays out fastest. So that is how one way that you can get gems on MistPlay super fast. Another one is by making optional purchases on the games themselves through MistPlay, and then MistPlay will give you gems. You can redeem those gems for the other gems, and you can cash out more. That's another way, but is completely optional because you do have to make purchases on the app game. But the first method is pretty solid. Just find the fastest paying out games and download them and play them. And that is all I have for everybody today. I thank each and every one of you for tuning in to my videos, and I'll see each and every one of you in the next new earning video. Peace.